Hello kids, it's phonics time. For today, we will have letter O. 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 Now repeat after me. O. O. Now your turn. Good job! Let's go to the sound of letter O. 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 Now repeat after me. O. 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 Your turn. Good job!
O. 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 Octopus. O. O. Octopus. Your turn. Good job. O. 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 Dot. O. O. Dot. Your turn. Good job. O. 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 Pot. O. O. Pot. Your turn. Good job. O. 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 Top. O. O. Top. Your turn. Good job.
Now, let's go to the examples. O. 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 Octopus. O. Octopus. D. O. T. D. O. T. Dot. Dot. P. O. T. P. O. T. Pot. Pot. T. O. P. T. O. P. Top. Top. Now, let's go faster. Octopus. Octopus. Dot. Dot. Pot. Pot. Top. Top. Now your turn. Octopus. Dot. Pot. Top. Good job!